Hi, sir.
Yes.
I am Marlon Purificacion from Third Floor Studio, Your Happy Network sa YouTube channel. First question bago yung follow-up sa inquiry kanina ni Belia. Senator Vic, are you running for the Senate this coming
Marami nagtatanong yan. Marami nag-text dito, mga media friends natin. Sorry to interrupt. Marami nag-text dito sa Facebook Live and Zoom asking, is Attorney Vic planning to run to help create the scenario of an effective opposition?
I am not trying to create the scenario to have an effective opposition. It is an aspiration. It is a dream. Regardless of who the administration or the president is. In a democracy, hindi pwedeng nagsisiping lahat sapagkat mawawalan talaga ng balanse. And that is a very, very dangerous precedent. So, it is not me trying to create a scenario to have an effective opposition. I am begging the Filipino people, let us put credible people in the Senate and in the House of Representatives. Nakikiusap ako sa sambayan ng Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na hindi magkaroon ng at the very least effective opposition if we cannot have a dominant opposition at the moment. As for yung aking tugon, hindi ho ako gumagawa ng senaryo. Yun ay ang aking vision, yun ang aking aspiration, yun ang aking pakiusap sa bawat Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na makontrol ang both houses ng Kongreso. Because that is a very, very, very dangerous proposition.
Will you include yourself in the possibility now? Maraming nagtatanong, will you include yourself in the possible effective opposition na you are aspiring for? Maraming nagtatanong dito, pakitanong kay Attorney Vic, if he is running. Ito, may isang journalist. Please ask Attorney Vic if he is running for senator because we don't want just clowns and actors and others, comedians lang daw. We need an intelligent lawyer like him. Sabi nung isang journalist